Next, we are going to do a few more things, guys. So we want to apply the fabric property and then apply the graphics onto this shirt. To do so, I'm going to come over here to this library tab and I'm going to double click on this fabric folder and I'm going to type in knit. After that, I'm going to simply click on this knit fleece terry, drag and drop onto this fabric one. And I'm going to change that name to shirt. Then I'm going to make more copy here. And I'm going to name this to trim. After that, I'm going to name this to binding. All right, so let's apply the trim fabric onto trim. And then I'm going to change the color into somewhat a little bit darker here. We will change it again for the final look though, but right now I just want to see this a little bit hint of darker to give you this realistic look. And then I'm going to apply the graphic onto the t-shirt. To apply the graphic, first we want to merge these front and back together. Simply click right here, right click, and then select merge. It says the pattern cannot merge. Please check out any overlap between the pattern. Okay, so what happened here? We want to remove any point between these pattern pieces before we can merge them together. So first of all, let's lock the internal lines here. And come over here, we have this point here. So I'm going to simply remove that, as well as this front pattern here. After that, I'm going to simply click on the center line, right click, and then select merge. Now, no problem. We'll do the same here. And then we want to select merge. After that, we're going to apply the graphic onto the front pattern. To apply the graphic, first we want to clear the search bar, guys. We will double click on the graphic folder. And here I have 3 graphics. I can select any of these graphics. So I'm going to click on this one, right click, and then select add as graphic. Then come over here, I'm going to hover the mouse on the center, click one right there to place the graphic, and then I'm going to click on OK here. Then after that, I'm going to kind of adjust the graphic to fit the t-shirt. And let's click on it. Let's shrink it a little. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to bring it up a little bit here, maybe a little bit further. All right, so that actually looks pretty good. And I want to change the color of this shirt. I will change the tool to transform pattern tool here, and then come to the shirt fabric. Come down here, click on the color swatch, and I'm going to use this eyedropper tool. Simply click one of these colors. Let's see, I like this color a lot. I'm going to simply come over here and press on the escape to get out the eyedropper tool and then click on apply and close. All right, okay, so now we want to change the color of the neckband. I will come over here, click on that trim fabric, come down here to color swatch, click on it. I will use eyedropper tool to pick the color out from the shirt though, and then press on the escape key and make it a little bit darker. That looks pretty good. I'm going to click on apply and close. Now the t-shirt looks pretty good, guys. So we're almost done, guys. We have a few more things to do. Let me hide the avatar first. We want to apply the binding here from the back, and we want to apply top stitches onto the garment.